It is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records ownership of digital assets, and it is based on blockchain technology. Blockchains are a type of technology that cannot be altered, which makes them a genuine disruptor in industries such as payments, cybersecurity, and healthcare. Discover what blockchains are, how they are used, and how their history relates to them. You're watching your favorite YouTube channel, Technology Facade. In today's video, we are going to talk about blockchain technology. Before moving forward to discuss blockchain, make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss any future videos we upload. What is blockchain technology? Introducing blockchain, also referred to as distributed ledger technology, DLT, which provides an unalterable and transparent record of any digital asset through the use of a decentralized network based on cryptographic hashing, and the use of a decentralized network. In order to understand how blockchain technology works, one can look at the way a Google Doc works. When you create a Google Doc and share it with a group of people, the document is simply distributed rather than copied or transferred. Essentially, this creates a decentralized distribution chain by which everyone has access to the same base document at the same time. In addition to the fact that everyone isn't locked out awaiting changes from another party, every change to the document is being recorded in real time, which makes the document completely transparent to everyone involved. As opposed to Google Docs, original content and data cannot be altered once it has been written on the blockchain, adding to its level of security. How blockchain works? It can be defined as a digital database, which is composed of encrypted blocks of data that are connected by complex mathematical problems and secured by a chain of cryptography. In the math problems of matching nonces and hashes, the records of previous actions on the blockchain are highly accurate and secure from manipulation, as the record of previous actions on the blockchain is recorded in an incredibly accurate way. Due to the fact that the blockchain is distributed identically across different decentralized nodes, no one organization is able to control or manipulate the blockchain in any way. Why is blockchain important? A blockchain technology is a particularly promising and revolutionary technology because it allows security risks to be reduced, fraud to be eliminated, and transparency to be brought in a scalable manner. Since it was first associated with cryptocurrency and non-financial trading instruments, blockchain technology has grown to become a management solution for all kinds of global industries due to its association with cryptocurrency and NFTs. In today's world, blockchain technology is providing transparency in the food supply chain, securing healthcare data, facilitating games, and changing the way we handle data and ownership at a large scale. What is a miner in blockchain? The process of mining is the process by which new blocks are created on the chain through the process of mining. Blockchains have unique nonces and hashes for each block, but every block also refers to the hash of the previous block in the chain, so mining a block isn't easy, especially when a chain is large. To solve the extremely complex math problem of finding a nonce that generates an acceptable hash, miners use special software. There are roughly 4 billion possibilities for nonce hash combinations that can be mined before the correct one is found, since the nonce is only 32 bits and the hash is 256 bits. Miners are said to have discovered the golden nonce when that happens and their block is added to the chain as a result. It is very difficult to manipulate blockchain technology because it requires not just remaining the block with the change, but also all of the blocks following it in order to change it. It is, thus, extremely difficult to manipulate blockchain technology. Think of it as safety in math, since finding golden nonces requires a tremendous amount of time and computing power. What is decentralization in blockchain? A key concept in blockchain technology is decentralization. It is important to understand that there is no single computer or organization in control of the chain. Rather, the chain is a distributed ledger whose nodes are connected to it. An electronic device that maintains copies of a chain and keeps the network up and running can be considered a blockchain node. There is always a copy of the blockchain on each node, but in order for the blockchain to be updated, trusted, and verified, the network must algorithmically approve any newly mined block. Each participant in the blockchain is given a unique alphanumeric identification number that is used to identify their transactions in the ledger. Since blockchains are transparent, every action in the ledger can be easily checked and viewed, creating inherent blockchain security. Blockchains can be considered in essence as an extension of trust by providing a system of checks and balances that helps the blockchain maintain integrity and create trust among its users. In essence, blockchains can be viewed as the scalability of trust through technology. That was all for today's video. You can share with us your views in the comment section. And if you are new to the channel, remember to subscribe to the channel and Hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future videos we upload. Thank you for watching the video. Best of luck and goodbye.